Friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here, jobs in GAIL recruitment. Okay, Gas Authority of India Limited apply online for GAIL recruitment 2021. This is for senior engineer and senior officer post without gate. Okay, invites online application from Indian national fulfilling the eligibility criteria of registration and applying online for the following post category. Okay, so these are posts, that is manager marketing, senior engineer chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil, gatel, tctm, okay, environmental, enp, fns, cp, bis, marketing, hr, corporate law, fna, laboratory, security, official language. Okay, there are 220 posts. So qualification is the bachelor degree in engineering, technology in civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, production industry, industrial, manufacturing, mechanical, automobile, instrumentation and control, electronics, instrumentation, as per your respective department. Okay, so you should have the BTech degree in following department with the minimum 65% marks for GAIL recruitment. Okay, the upper age limit will be 34 years for manager and 28 years for senior manager and senior officer. Okay, the maximum age is relaxable for 5 years for SC/ST candidate as per the government rule and 3 years for the OBC. Okay, application fee. At the time of submission of online application, candidate belonging to the general OBC candidate, they should have the refundable application fees, non-refundable application fees of 200, and SC/ST category are exempted for the fees. General, okay. So how to apply? Applicant will be required to apply online website that will be given in the description box. You can directly go through that gailonline.com. No other mode means application shall be accepted. The website will open on 7th July to 5 August. Okay, so you have to fill this form between 7th July to 5 August, and online application form will be there, and the registration submission important link will be given to the description box. You can go and directly apply to there. And selection process: applicant fulfilling the essential criteria based on the online application submitting in the online registration will consider only the further shortlisting process. Depending on the number of applicant fulfilling the eligibility criteria, applicant must be undergo single stage multiple stages of shortlisting process. Okay, here we are trying okay, so here in this channel we are trying to give in all the required details related to above vacancy. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. I can clear your all the queries. So thank you, good day and take care. Please subscribe and share this channel for more videos.